Wait. We didn't do the good part, the fun part. Okay, wait. Should we do something funny? Like a...
You are so...
Gotta make sure you have a get ready snack. Okay, that was stupid. But you know what? I bet I'll get the fans. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Megan, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial using all cruelty-free and vegan-free products. In the description box down below, I'll make sure to attach all the products I use today. A lot of the products used are also drugstore, which is a plus. I'll also be attaching a link down below that will allow you to look up all the different brands and which ones are cruelty-free and vegan-free. So if you guys want to get this look, just keep watching. So I did something a little different, and I did my eyebrows before just to get that out of the way to save time. So one of the things I'm really excited to use was this Wet n Wild 10-piece brush set that I just bought. I saw it on Instagram and I was dying to have it, and then when I found out that Wet n Wild was cruelty free, it really convinced me to buy this brush set. So it comes with 10 brushes. Wet n Wild is cruelty and vegan free, so I thought that was fun for brushes, especially because I know some brush companies aren't, and the packaging is super cute. Even the brushes are really cute. They have like pink stems, pink ombre to like silver. So pulling them all out here. Super fun, so we'll be trying these out today in today's video. Now I'm gonna zoom in while we do the eyes. Pretend like I can zoom in my own camera. So going in like always with some tape. Using the Too Faced Eyeshadow Endurance Primer. I'm gonna use that as a base coat. Make sure it gets all over the eyelid. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow pack that I just got. It was $3 at Walgreens, so if these shadows are promising, that'll be really exciting. I haven't heard anything really about Wet n Wild eyeshadow products, but I love that they're so cheap and of course cruelty free. So using this tapered brush, I'm gonna go in with this transition shade here. There is some fallout, but I don't really mind that. Just going in with a nice base all over the eye. These brushes are super soft. So once you got a good base of your transition shade on, I'm gonna go in with this orange shade here using the same brush. So the pigment isn't that bright, but I wonder how the buildup is gonna be. Keep dipping the brush in the shadows, how nicely they'll build up on each other. Honestly, they're not bad for $3. And you get 10 shades in the palette. And so far I really like, I just use this one brush, but I really like it. I do have to keep constantly dipping my brush to get the shade color that I'd like, but it's not terrible. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this dark brown transition shade over here. I'm gonna use this more flat brush from the set. I'm gonna put this on the outer corner and into the crease, bringing it upward just slightly. Yeah, you get 10 brushes for $30. That's crazy, especially for how big these base brushes are. And there's 4 of them. This shade's color consistency is real nice. Really, come on, I don't have to keep tapping my brush in and out. Going back in with this orange and the fluffy brush. Kind of blending that in again. Bringing it all upwards. And going back in with that dark shade again. Next, going in with the Shape Tape Concealer and using this flat brush. This brush needs to be absorbing a lot of the product. Then I'm going to use this shimmer shade from the Wet n Wild, the gold shimmer shade. So before I go in with the glitter shade, I'm going to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue. I'm going to put that right over the concealer in the cut crease spot. And because I wanted to pack on that glitter and make sure it packs on nicely, I'm going to use this e.l.f. concealer brush that I got. e.l.f. is also a cruelty-free brand. So these shimmer shades are packing on pretty nicely. Going back in with this fluffy brush and this orange shade, just blending it all out again. Key is blend, blend, blend. Alright, so I'm not going to use eyeliner for today's look just because I'm not really feeling it, but some cruelty-free liner options are the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I swear by this eyeliner and I love it. It's the best liquid liner that I use. So I would definitely use that if I was going to be doing eyeliner today. And I'm also going to put on my lashes off screen. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit Winged and Bold cruelty-free eyelashes along with the Tarte Pro eyelash glue in black. Alright, so now that my lashes are on, one little thing that I thought was really cool. I used to buy e.l.f. lashes a lot, and these now come with this little piece that helps you put on your lashes. So I thought that was really cool because I think they're like $4. These aren't as dramatic as I was expecting, but I still really like them. They're really thick on the outside and thin toward the inside. Now we're gonna do the face, and I'm gonna use the Smashback Photo Finish Primer. It's my go-to primer I use all the time. I still can't believe how much pigment those eyeshadows had for $3. It's insane. I've never used Wet n Wild Beauty before, so I know how cheap they are, and I'm using a lot of their products today, and definitely will be using that eyeshadow palette again. Even the glitter payoff was amazing. So, what do you know? I'm going in with Wet n Wild foundation. I think this foundation was $6, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. It comes with like this little spatula here, so I'm just gonna plop some on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. And they have quite a few shades too, and what's nice is you can kind of tell in the store what shade you are. It smells kind of funny. Reminds me of like paint, like the paint that you paint your house with. But the foundation overall blends nicely. So next I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, place that under my eyes. I know I do my eyes before I do my foundation and my face makeup. That's just because one, I use the tape, and two, just in case there's fallout on the eyeshadows, I like to be able to put my foundation on afterwards just so that's not all blending into my foundation. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Cushion Contour. I'm going to do a cream contour today. I'm going to go in with this pointed brush here. It's like a cushion. And then I'm going to use this contour brush here. Just kind of stamp it. I think it's going in with the beauty blender to blend it all out. Remember, when blending your concealer, you don't want to go all the way up to your eye crease. I think this concealer is a little pale for me, but the contour blended out nicely. Again, another Wet n Wild product. Next, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. HD powder for finishing powder to set my eyes. This is cool. It has like a little swivel thing so you can close the holes so you're not constantly making a mess inside your palette. This is like really white. And I already used a light concealer, so I'm a little nervous. Just letting that sit. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the powder, and I'm gonna use this flat contour brush here, going in with that middle shade. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off where I had that powder sitting. Yeah, I think this foundation looks really nice too. Buildable. Use quite a bit. So now I'm going to try this, not try, but I'm going to use this Too Faced Your Love is King Long Lasting 16-Hour Blush. I'm gonna use this brush for my blush, but I'm gonna go in and make sure I clean it off my handy dandy swatch switcher. Now I'm going to use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Mineral Blush. Highlight. It's a blush and highlight packed together. I'm gonna go in a little bit of highlighter on my brush. Yeah, I definitely recommend buying these brushes. It's a full brush set for $30. And they're so soft. They're blending everything so nicely. Now I'm going to do my under eye. I'm going to use that brush, that e.l.f. brush that I used for the shimmer. I'm gonna clean that off using that orange shade. It would also be really fun if you did this blue on your under eye as well. And they had like, I think 4 different ones of these palettes. So there was like a smoky eye, a mauve eye, I forget what the other one was, but this one is not a basic peach. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown here and tight line, just the outer corners. Then using the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes. This is the waterproof version. The other one is just Lights Camera Lashes. And while we let the lashes dry, I'm gonna use this Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip color. It's in the shade Temptation. Number 5. I've never used their lip glosses and I wanted to do the shine. I thought that was kind of fun. And this has like a pointed tip. I don't know if you can see, and it's like got an arched shape around your lip. That's kind of cool. Alright, so just going in with some more concealer. You can go around and edit, especially when using like a darker color on your lips. This is like a little good trick. Going in with that concealer brush, same thing. Alright, now going in with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna do my waterline here in the outer corner. Alright you guys, so this completes my cruelty-free vegan makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like this video, comment down below what you'd like to see in future videos, and make sure you subscribe. Bye!